Hello, here I am reviewing the Fuji X H1 camera. This is one of the latest cameras coming from the Fuji lineup. It is a 2/3 frame 24.3 megapixel camera, similar to the Fuji Xt2, having separate controls for all the settings you need, which is one of the great plus points of the Xt2. But this camera now has some very useful improvements. Both cameras, I must say, are very well made and robust. You'll see that the X H1 is a little larger and heavier than the Xt2, and that it has a superb right-hand grip. This is a great advantage over the Xt2, as often one's palm can easily come into contact with the rear dial when taking a shot or changing settings while looking through the viewfinder. The grip also includes a useful display screen, providing camera settings, speed, ISO, aperture, compensation, shooting mode, white balance settings, etc. The grip also houses the on-off switch and also the shutter button, which again is in a better position than in the Xt2. Everything is literally at your fingertips. The addition of this grip, in my opinion, provides not only the functionality just mentioned and also the screen, but also provides better stability when taking a photograph. There is more camera to get hold of. It is essential if you have anything but a very small hand. 2 card slots are provided for sequential or parallel recording of images in JPEG and or RAW format. The rear screen now has a touchscreen mode, another very useful addition, enabling one to take photographs or change focus area, etc., just simply by touching the screen. The rear screen is also more manoeuvrable, which is especially useful when shooting in bright light. As I've already mentioned, this camera has separate controls for all the main settings, just like cameras of old. Once you've set up your preferences in the comprehensive menu, you will hardly ever need to search through the many layers of the menu. Fuji has also improved the video function on this camera. Rolling shutter is very much improved, though still visible if panning too quickly, though this can be mostly rectified in post-production. I've included some shots as well as a little bit of video taken with my Fuji X H1, which I hope you'll find interesting and useful. If you have any queries, feel free to contact me and please leave some feedback. Thanks.